Next, page number 31. Look at the heading. Which boat do we take? Which boat do we take? They are so lost in puzzles that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is a very big lake with a small island in it. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. So they reached the interesting part of their trip. They reached the lake, and in that lake there is a lot of ducks there, and then that ducks are making loud noise. And there is a small island. Island is a land, part of a land surrounded by water. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat take. But that is not easy. Look at the table in page number 32. There are different kinds of boats. Each boat has a different ticket price and also different trip time. So look at that table. Name of the boat, double decker. You can see the picture of the double decker boat in the picture under that. So ticket price is rupees 30 and trip time is 45 minutes. The first type of boat is double decker boat. Its rate is rupees 30 and time is 45 minutes. Pedal boat means you want to pedal that, then like cycle you want to pedal that, then only it will move. That pedal boat has only a cheap rate, rupees 15, and it will get 30 minutes. Third, motorboat is fast. So its ticket is 25 rupee and the time is 20 minutes. Next, fourth one is boat with oars. Its rate also rupees 15 and you will get 45 minutes in that boat. So what the students are confusing which boat they want to take. So they have different options. So the first one told 4 of us will take a pedal boat and race with Gauri and her group. We can take a pedal boat and we can make race with that Gauri and team. We will take the motor boat. It is costly but fun. Zoom. Boys are like that a motor boat because it is very fast. Let's take the oar boat. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. The next team is telling they want to take the oar boat. It is not costly, only 50 rupees for that oar boat, and we can get a peaceful ride. Hi, we are going on the double decker. Indra and Banu first went in the motorboat and then took the oar boat. First they went into the motorboat, then they took the oar boat. How much did they pay for both the boats? So for the motor boat, they want how many rupees? Look at the table in the previous page. 25 plus for the oar boat they want to pay 15 rupees. So when we add that to, you will get 40. So one person want to pay 40 rupees. So both of them they want to pay 80 rupees. Or you can write 40 or 80. Second question. How much time did they get for both the ride? For motorboat, they will get 20 minutes. For motorboat, they will get 20 minutes. And boat with oars, they will get 45 minutes. So total they will get 65 minutes. So you know 65 minutes is 1 hour and 5 minutes. So you can write 65 minutes. 65 meter, no 65 minutes that you want to remember. Then second question. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? So, how many children went for the trip that we don't know, but they paid a total of 450 that they given in the table. So, you know for one trip, one person for a double-decker trip, they want to pay 30 rupees. So, it is 450 divided by 30. 450 divided by 30. So you can cut 0, 0. It is 45 divided by 3. So look, how many 4 in 3? 1. So write 1 on the top. 1 3s are 3. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. Then write the 5 under that. Now the number is 15. How many 3 in 15? 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 15. So total 15 children went for the double-decker trip. Again look at the table. Question number 3. Which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour? You know 1 hour is how many minutes? 1 hour is 60 minutes. So which boat will take 2 trips in 1 hour? Yes, look at the table. Paddle boat 30 minutes. So 30 plus 30 is 60. So write the answer. Paddle boat there. Question number 4 is paddle boat. The spelling is P-A-D-D-L-E, not P-E. Paddle boat. P-A-D-D-L-E. Question number 4. Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? Which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip? So you look at the table. You know half an hour is 30 minutes. So less than half an hour, which will come? Yes, there is a 20 minutes. So which boat is that? Third one, motor boat. So write the answer there, motor boat. Next question. Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Which boat gives them the most time? Time is extra time, but they want to pay only least money. Which boat is that? Again look at the table. Fourth one, boat with oars. Only you want to pay 15 rupees, but it will get 45 minutes ride in that boat. So which boat? Boat with oars. Boat with oars. So the boat is boat with oars. Boat with oars. Then next question. Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? You look at the table, and so there is a 30 minutes for paddle boat and 20 minutes for motor boat. So 30 plus 20 you will get 50. So the boats are paddle boat and motor boat. Paddle boat and motor boat. So write it there, paddle boat and motor boat. Last part of the trip. Time to return. Children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock. So they spend up to 4 o'clock there, and it is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. They are not going to stop anywhere. They directly come back to their school. So within 2 hours they will come back to their school. Now the time is 4 o'clock. So when will they reach their school? So they should reach Hoshangabad by 6 o'clock. So they return Hoshangabad at 6 o'clock. Right there, 6 o'clock. So we concluded the lesson. So what all things we did in this lesson? Find out. Have you ever been on a school trip? How many children were there in all? How did you go and how far? How much time did it take? Try to find out the cost of travel for each child. Next year, you will go for a school trip. At that time, we can find out all these things. So we just revised the trip. So we started from Hoshangabad at 9 o'clock. Then we first crossed the river Narmada. Then we went to the petrol pump. After that, we went to the place at 11 o'clock, Bhimbedka. And there you met a lot of caves and cave paintings. Then we had the lunch. After that, we come to the Bhopal and for the lake boating. And up to 4 o'clock we spent for boating. Then we returned to Hoshangabad at 6 o'clock. So practice time. First question. There are 4 very old cave paintings. Make the oldest. Which is the oldest one? 4,200 years old, 1,000 years old, 8,500 years old, 1,300 years. Which is the oldest? So the oldest one is C. 8,500 years old. Second question. One bus can carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? About. So you just imagine one bus can carry 50 children. So 3 buses will carry 50 plus 50 plus 50. 150 children. 150. Then third question. Which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? That you want to do alone. Add all that numbers. You add like this. 152 plus 241. You know addition. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 309. Then check out the answer. Whether it is more than 500 or less than 500. If it is, which is more than 500, tick that. Okay, which pair of numbers add to make more than 500? Which will get more than 500? That you tick. Okay, then fourth question. What happened at what time? Draw lines to match. Crossed the Narmada bridge. So first we crossed the Narmada bridge. So the time is 9:10 a.m. Second question. Look at Bhimbedka paintings. When will we look the Bhimbedka paintings? At 11:30 a.m. Third question. At the petrol pump. When they were in the petrol pump? At 9:30 a.m. Boating in the lake. Yes, 3 p.m. Then had lunch 12:30 p.m. Return to Hoshangabad. It is 6 p.m. So we finished this lesson. We can conduct text paper in the next week. So study this lesson very well. If you have any doubt, ask it to me.